Hello everyone, our last video was about how to correctly draw levels. And in that video, I mentioned that sooner or later our level will be broken. We will not constantly trade from level to level, sometimes our level will be broken, and in this video I will explain what to do in such a case. Look, first we will go through the theory, and then we will move on to practice. Watch how it works. For example, we have a resistance level at the upper line and a support level at the lower line. We trade from level to level, from level to level, from level to level. Starting from the third touch, we take a trade for a decrease. Do you remember the last video? Okay, the market went down, then it approached the level again and something went wrong at this point. The level was broken. What to do in such a case? Now I will show you an example using pocket option, which means we need to set a 1-minute candle. That is, the chart type should be candlestick, and the time frame should be 1 minute. We need to wait for a specific situation where exactly 2 consecutive minute candles are outside the level in the direction of the breakout. So, for example, here we have a resistance level, we break the level, wait for 2-minute candles in the direction of the breakout, and open a trade for 2 to 3 minutes of increase. The same applies when a support level is broken. We have broken the support level. We wait for 2 consecutive minute candles, the first minute candle, the second minute candle, and we can open a trade for a decrease. I will now try to find something in the currency market and show you an example of how it all works. I will now explain to you the logic of this trade in the Euro-US dollar pair, and then show you an example of where we will open the trade. Look, we have a support level just as we discussed at the beginning of this video. We approach the level for an increase, approach the level for an increase, and approach the level again, but this time the level was broken. You see the first minute candle formed outside the level, and the second minute candle formed as well. At this point, we could have taken a trade for a decrease. Of course, we are slightly late, but nevertheless, I will open a $425 trade for 2 minutes for a decrease. And if it results in a loss, it will be even more interesting. I will show you what to do in such a case, although I already talked about this in the previous video. So, the essence of this trade fully corresponds to what we discussed. So, you see, we have a support level here, we broke the level at this point, and I expect a downward trend. If it were a resistance level and we broke through the resistance level, I would expect a trend towards an increase. Let's see how it all ends. So our trade will definitely end up in profit. My recent statistics have been quite good, but nevertheless anything can happen in trading. My overall success rate is around 60%, which is not very high. 60%. It is not high. It is high. At 60% it is not high. At 60% it is not high. An important point from this video to emphasize is that I do not recommend trading with such low profitability to anyone. 56% is very low. Open trades with at least 70% and above. That is, any trades with a yield below 70% should simply be skipped. I opened this trade only for the purpose of recording the video. If I were trading without the video, I wouldn't have opened this trade. Nevertheless, I consider the example to be good. And in the next video, we will talk about how to set up TradingView. In the future, we will also discuss volumes, MACD, and trading indicators. In short, don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and be sure to watch the next video in this course.